Former Vice President Leni Robredo announces that she will run as mayor of Naga City in the 2025 elections. Robredo confirms her election bid for mayor of Naga City through a post on her official social media account. Also written in the post, Robredo introduces her team's slate for the elections. According to Robredo, the members of her slate were chosen through extensive consultations with Naga's residents, organizations, and sectors, who the former vice president invited to field and vet aspiring candidates in the city. Robredo adds that the candidates were evaluated based on the criteria of integrity, character, experience, and contribution to people empowerment. Moreover, Robredo says the vetting process for the candidates was a tradition that started from his late husband, Jesse Robredo, who served as Naga City Mayor. Outgoing Camarines Sur Representative Gabi Bordado will run alongside Robredo for the city's vice mayor post. The former vice president currently sits as the chairman and president of Angat Buhay Foundation, a non-government organization. The foundation was founded after she lost her presidential bid in the 2022 elections.
Ulit yung pangalan ni Leni, no? Si dating VP Sara Leni Robredo. May balita ba kay sir kung ano ba, may plano ba sa 2025 or kasi nilulutang na maging DepEd secretary siya, siyempre medyo malabo. Ano bang plans ng LP for 2025?
Ang last namin na pag-uusap ay siya ay tatakbo as mayor ng Naga City upang ipagpatuloy ang programa ng kanyang late husband. At siya naman ay sasama sa national campaign para sa senatorial slate ng Liberal Party at ang mga kaalyansa ng Liberal Party.
Does that mean kung halimbawa alokin man ng posisyon bilang DepEd Secretary, hindi po ito tatanggapin?
Iyan ay call ng ni Leni. Wala kaming control diyan at hindi namin ini-expect na siya ay aalokin ng Pangulo. Ngunit pag siya ay inalok, iyan ay pag-aaralan mabuti at iyan ay isang opportunity na ipagpatuloy ng ating Pangulo na Vice Presidente ang sa kanyang pagserbisyo sa taong bayan.
Early as June or July, sinabi ko lang hindi ako magsasenador. Pero for some reason, hindi naniniwala yung ibang tao. Sabi ko, hindi ko naman mag-blame yung ibang tao kasi mukhang may record ako na laging last minute. Beses ko na din ito nasabi in many interviews, lalo na with the national media, na alam ko naman yung limits ng aking capacity. Naging miyembro na ako ng Kongreso. Nag-legislative ako, nag-executive ako. Nakita ko kung saan yung strengths ko. At yung pinaka-passion mo talaga, yung communities. Parang mahirap para sa akin mag-senador na wala masyadong opportunity to do community work. Mas nababagay yung skill set ko sa executive. And excited ako to run for a local post kasi ang dami talagang pwedeng gawin. Na hindi lang for Naga, pero gusto kong ipakita sa buong bansa na good governance works. Kasi paminsan, pag pinag-usapan yung good governance, parang sobrang abstract na concept niya. Pero yun yung gusto kong ipakita, na pag malinis yung pamamahala, magta-translate ito sa better services to the people.